Hi, King. Today I have a problem with two brushless motor with two different order. Same motor. This is motor of Marine Relentless RC Bot, and this is motor of Marine Scott Free RC Bot. The engine not work good. Works 5 minutes with the new 90 amp Boat ESC, and after 5 minutes not work correct. This is other ESC. I sent you video last time. This is no good, not work. Turn on radio. Connect ESC. When I go to accelerate, the engine not work good. The engine works 2 minutes is too hot. I disconnect this motor. Connect other, same item. Reconnect ESC. This engine vibration is too hot. Oh my god, it's too hot. And 5 minutes this engine is too hot, not work good. This engine is broken. I test other engine with the ESC. This is Turnigy XK is new engine built from Hobby King. Connect ESC. Good sound and good work. Perfect work. Full accelerate. The engine no vibration, no wrong sound. Connect other engine. Outrunner. Other engine is in runner. Connect ESC. Sound good. And works good. No vibration, no wrong sound, no hot. Perfect engine. Two engine is oh my god. Cazzacosh. This engine is broken. Already two. Hi, King.